How to activate Virgin Money credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on activating your Virgin Money credit card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then after go to my.virginmoney.com.au, and once the interface loads, locate the activate your card option, which is just below the forgot user ID or the password. First of all, you have to locate the register or the login portal, and from there also locate the option of activate your card, which is just below the forgot user ID or your password. And once you click on it, you will be headed towards the activation portal where it is indicating activate your card now. And here in this designated area, you have to enter your 16-digit credit card number or the online saver IAN number in this box. After you have entered the correct form of your card number, click on the continue button and then just follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the end. And congratulations, your Virgin Money credit card will now be successfully activated. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.